We try to present to them as anything that they need, as well as throw in some things that they absolutely want as well, and kind of check off all the boxes for them. What I like is the opportunity to go in and calm their fears down a little bit, give them answers, ease their apprehension a bit, and in the same time put together something beautiful for them that they've been wanting for a long time. They have high standards, just as I would for my own home. And so we're up for the challenge. We really spend a lot of time making sure that they know what their options are, giving them a lot of options as well as far as what they want to put in their home, and then making sure that it goes in well, taking the time to make sure that we have great installers that are going to be personable and look after their home as far as like tracking things in and out and protecting, walls and things with the debris coming out, all the way down to the finish work, making sure things are nice and tidy and cleaned up and ready to turn over to the client at the end of the project. In the end, the thing that's most important to us is their experience. We want to make sure that we have protected our brand and our integrity and our characters, and the best way we can return that value to them is by giving them a tremendous experience and a nice product in the end. We know you have a lot of options out there as far as your bathroom renovations are considered. Choose 5-Star Bath Solutions of Utah. We're fantastic. We will completely take your experience to another level. We'll make it a smooth transition from what you have to what you want. And in the end, you'll be very pleased.